Hey Houston, I'm so honored to be here at South Texas, my law school. They invited me to be the guest speaker to speak with the students today, and I want to share this with you, so stay tuned.
Next, we have one of our esteemed alum, Jose Lopez, who graduated South Texas in 2003. He earned his undergraduate from the University of Houston. He currently practices personal injury at the Jose Lopez Law Firm, or Lopez Law Firm, excuse me. And so I'm very excited to have him here this evening. He was gracious enough to leave work and come here to speak with you. Again, I just think it's important you have an understanding of who our alum are, what they're doing, what their experiences were like while they were here, and the benefits they felt they might have had from getting a law degree here at South Texas. So I will turn it over to Jose.
Thank you, Dean Barry, South Texas, for having me. I feel honored, and I'm very excited to be here. I'm gonna talk a little bit about myself and talk about my experience here in South Texas, and let you know, I remember being exactly in this room, in this auditorium, in the year 2000. 23 years ago, exactly right there. I remember exactly like what you guys were thinking, like, man, you know, or most of you guys are thinking. And I'm here to tell you, it gets better. It takes time, but it gets a little bit better. My name is Jose Lopez. I'm a personal injury attorney here in Houston. I represent clients that have been injured in serious accidents. I represent families that have lost a loved one to a wrongful death caused by a company or caused by an individual. I am very passionate about what I do. I love what I do. I wake up every day and I'm excited to seize the day. Do your passion, whatever the passion is. If you want to love family law, if you love tax law, whatever it is, just do that. And you're gonna be fine and you're gonna have fun. I'm gonna talk a little bit about my experience here at South Texas. Dean Barry kind of stole a lot of my little things I wanted to highlight, but being here at South Texas is very dynamic because not many law schools can tell you that the civil courtroom is right here, the criminal courtroom, the state appellate courtrooms, the federal courtroom. So you can be in the action in real time, not watch it on YouTube or I heard about this or that. No, you actually can go and like sit in the courtroom or like see it in real action. So I really like that is something that is like really sticks out to me because I really sat in those courtrooms and I'm like, oh my God, like wow, how do they do that? And if you see one time when they pick a jury, you're gonna be amazed. So I've sat through that, and now I pay jury consultants, so I kind of am on the other side of that. But outside of that, South Texas being here is also being here in downtown, and Dean Barry spoke about it, is if you're gonna want to have a clerkship, if you want to have an associate position after school, you are right there. So I really want to highlight that, you know, where people, you know, like, oh, wow, you know, I don't know, I have to fly to another city, I have to go do this, I have an interview. No, you can just walk or take an Uber and you're right there. So, you know, that's something I want to highlight as far as for South Texas. I also want to let you guys know that my experience, I'm speaking about my experience, I've always felt heard here in South Texas. I always felt included. There's always something available in a group, advocacy club, or whatever you're into, it's available to you. The faculty, the administration was always available to me, so I always felt that. And one of the other things that I want to, I'm very passionate about is South Texas is celebrating 100 years this year, right? So I want to hope to see you guys to help me shape the next 100 years of this school, because that's what I'm working on. So in the near future, I'm working with South Texas to start a scholarship and an endowment on behalf of my family. So I just wanted to kind of share that with you guys. I do come back. I'm excited to give back and talk to the students here. I worked for a private firm for a while, and now I can tell you that I'm blessed to have my own very successful practice. I own my own building, and all of these things are possible, you know, because I started here in South Texas. So I want to, you know, just give you guys from my experience. I'm going to be available after this meeting, so feel free to come up to me and say hello, and if you have any questions, I'll definitely give you my card. I'm available, and you guys can shoot me an email as well. Thank you. Congratulations. Hey everyone, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and follow our channel. We have a lot of content and a lot of events happening. So thank you for watching. Give us a like and a subscribe. Thank you.